Good morning, children. I am going to revise some rules of the Roman numerals. Revision of Roman numerals. Rules. X when written when written to to the right of L or C. It is added. X when written to the right of L or C. It is added. For example, L X. X is written to the of right of L. X is written to the right of L, so that it is, according to rule, it is added. L for 50, X for 10. It is added 50 plus 10. 50 plus 10 equal to 60. L X X XX 20. XX 20. It is written to the right of L, so that it is added. L for 50 plus 10 plus 10. 50, 10, 60, 60, 10, 70. L X X X. L for 50 plus 10, 10, 10. 50, 60, 70, 80. C X. C X. C for 100, X for 10 plus 10. According to rule, X is written to the right of C, so that it is added. C for 100, X for 10. 100 plus 10, 110. Rule is X when written to the right of L or C. It is added. Take another example. C X X. C for 100 plus X 10 plus 10. 100, 10 plus 10, 20, 120. We get 120. C X X X. C for 100 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, 130. Rule 2. X when written to the left of L or C, it is subtracted. For example, XL. X is written to the left of L, so that it is subtracted. L for 50 minus X for 10. 50 minus 10, 40. Take another example. XC. X is written to the left of C, so that it is subtracted. C for 100, X for 10 minus 10. 100 minus 10 equal to 90. Note IRV. IRV is never written to the left of L or C. IRV is never written to the left of L or C. Rules 3. C can be repeated. C can be repeated. C can be repeated at the most 3 times. For example, C. If symbols repeated, then it is added. C repeated, so that according to rule it is added. C plus C plus C. C for 100 plus 100. 100, 200. C repeated according to rule. If symbol repeated, then it is added. C plus C plus C. 100 plus 100 plus 100. We get 300. Note L is never repeated. L is never repeated, and it is never written to the left of phi. L is never repeated and it is never written to the left of phi. Students, exercise 1F question 2. Write the Hindu Arabic numerals for the following. A X X I I, XX XX repeated, so that it is added. 10 plus 10 plus I repeated, so it is added. 1 plus 1, 10 10 20 21 22, we get 22. B X X V I I, XX repeated. 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1, 10 10 20 25 26 27. C D C D larger value, D for 500 and C for 100. D for 500 and C for 100. If smaller value is written to the right of larger value, then it is added. D for 500 plus C for 100. 500 plus 100 equal to 600. D L X X X V, L larger value and X X X V 35, because XX repeated, so it is added. XXX 30 V 5, 35. L larger value and 35 is smaller value. When smaller value is written to the right of larger value, then it is added. L for 50 plus X 10 10 10 plus 5, 50 60 50 60 70 80 85. E X V X larger value, V smaller value. When smaller value is written to the right of larger value, then it is added. x for 10 plus v for 5. 10 5 15. F x c x c. According to rule x when written to the left of L or C, it is subtracted. Or in other words, x smaller value and C larger value. If smaller value is written to the left of larger value, then it is subtracted, so that C for 100, x for 10 minus 10. 100 minus 10 equal to 90. G x v. X larger value and v smaller value. When smaller value is written to the right of larger value, then it is added. X for 10, v for 5. 10 plus 5 equal to 15. H x c I. XCI. Student, this is homework for you. Do yourself. Question 3rd. What numbers do these Roman numerals represent? A x x x v I. According to rules, when symbol repeated, then it is added. X repeated, v I, so it is added. 10, x for 10, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus v for 5 plus 1 plus 1. 10, 10, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37. Remaining part of question 3. We'll have to do for homework. Okay students, I will send pics of these sums. Okay.